Hey guys, welcome back. I'm edcgunner and today I'm gonna talk about the watches we are wearing the most this summer. And I'm saying we are because I'm gonna talk about the watches I was wearing the most this summer, but I wanna hear what are your watches you were wearing this summer, and what were your favorite watches, go-to watches and this summer. And I'm gonna start from my Submariner. Yeah, because I love this watch. This is my first summer with Submariner. It was a grail of mine ever since I knew what a watch is. Ever since I knew what automatic watch is, and this is my Submariner I got this winter, and I was looking forward very much to the summer to be able to wear it with a t-shirt because when I got it, was under the cuffs, the sweatpants. I wear this all the time, from the shirts and dress shirts to the jumpers and winter. But when summer came, I really love this one. This is an early 90s Submariner, 16610, and it's beat up to hell. I put some dings and scratches on it. I hit it twice, or it was it three times against the door frame. So yeah, that's it. But very nice, 40mm comfortable watch. It's been everything I ever wanted from a Submariner, and the only thing I would want to get is the newer version with the better bracelet. The bracelet on this one isn't up to standards, but it is what it is. But speaking of like badass bracelets, I was wearing my Monster, another watch I was very much looking forward to. Let me just quickly give you a wrist shot. I was looking forward to wearing the Monster as well, because that's one of the watches. Okay, this is done properly now, so I'm gonna give you talk about the Monster. uh, and our Monster is also one of the watches I got last year, and I think it was December. It was winter or it was January, I'm not sure. But this is a first generation Seiko Monster, the one I always wanted. There's a second generation, there's third, and different styles, configurations, and everything. But this is the one I always wanted ever since I got my weight on watches. And I won it on an eBay auction. It was late night, and I'm gonna keep it as long as I collect watches. I think this one will be in my collection. And speaking of badass bracelet, this is aftermarket bracelet, and I love watches and bracelets. And I took this to the seaside with me. I had a lot of fun. I brought my SKS as well, but this one was dominant watch here. And perfect summary watch. I got it when it was winter. I did a review of it in the snow. I placed some shots in the snow. You can check that out. But wearing this watch in the winter is not a fun at all. I put it on NATO in the winter. It looks like a toy, like a child's toy, especially with lots of artificial lights. However, when summer came, first rays of sunshine, t-shirts and sunshine on this one makes this watch look amazing, and it's truly iconic, to me at least, just as the Submariner. Another iconic watch, it's a cheapo and also one of my grail watches for a long time, was, when I first got into watches, was the SKS. And has a beautiful bezel action, and I used SKS. I got it on a rubber band. I do love the crappy jubilee band, but as soon as I don't have it, I use this one to have fun with NATOs. And this is the latest NATO I got from Vario. You can see here, this is a stretchy NATO, and it feels like there's nothing on the wrist, but what won me over with this NATO is the color. I never thought this color and this type of band will work well on SKS, but it sure does. And I have a lots of NATOs and I'm experimenting with the mood and everything, but ever since I got this one, it sits on it. I even have a leather band for it. I forgot again to give you a wrist shot for the monster. Very comfortable. The bracelet is monstrous as well as the watch. It's beautiful, beautiful piece, and I love it. And this SKS on this NATO, I think it's a winner. I don't know. I've been wearing it on olive green. I was wearing my Submariner on olive green as well, on a leather band, on a mesh one. But I think this NATO is a winner just because of the color. I will quickly put it on the wrist for you. This one as well. And once again, I would really love to hear what were your summer watches this summer, and what watches made you smile and made you happy. I wore lots more watches this summer, a lot more, but these were on my wrist for like 80 or 90% of the time. So yeah, that was my little mini summer watch collection. So I would definitely love to hear what was yours, and do write me in the comment section. And thank you for watching. I'm edcgunner, and see you in the next one.